Hi everyone. It's cooler weather here in Oklahoma. What does that mean? Metal detecting for me. I cannot stand the heat, or I'd go out in the heat. But today or not today, but tomorrow I'm going to be going over to school grounds and seeing what I can find. This school is about 60 miles away from Oklahoma City. That's where I live. So let's go on over to the map and let me show you what's going on. I think there's going to have maybe some wind gusts tomorrow, so you'll probably hear it on the GoPro. But thanks so much for watching. Okay, here's where I'm planning to go. This looks like an elementary school, and it has swings over in here on the left corner, and maybe slides and various things. I'm not sure if this is, oh golly, wood chips or maybe the gravel, but I'm not sure. It might be turf. I can't tell from this viewpoint. Just trying to blow it up, even as close as I can on the Google, I still can't tell. I would imagine, though, it's either wood chips like they have at playgrounds, or maybe pebbles, those small little gravel-like things. Anyway, this is where I'm going to try, and I'm looking that there's a fence around here. I hope there's a gate that's open. There may not. I don't jump over the fences or anything. If there's not access, I don't access it. Over here is a football field I'm hoping to try for. There's some bleachers, which are usually behind bleachers. People get off. They want to go to the concession stand, get something. They're getting their change out of their pocket and dropping change back and forth over here. Also around the concession stand, I'm hoping to find some change there as well. I don't know how much time I'll have, but it would be nice to go on the other side where the other stands are. But today, I might just try this field a little bit and then go on home. I figure at least a couple hours. So let's go on over, go over to the hunt, and thanks again for watching. Oh, there it is right there. Nice and shiny though. There it is. Looks like a dime. It's very close to a nickel, but it's so deep and it's not constant. Let's move a few rocks and let's see what we have. There it is. And it is a nickel. Here's a little dime. And there's a penny. There's a nice little dime. Ah, I see it. Right here. Nice little dime. Another dime. Okay, here I am at the edge of a football field. And I thought I'd go here, maybe where they park, and come into the entrance here. Would you say it's right there? Sandy soil. Ah, it fell off the top, and there's that quarter. And we have some type of metal pipe. I'm not sure what that is. There's a nice little quarter. There it is. Quarter. Well, where did it go? There it is. Nice little quarter. You know, don't you hate those stickers? We used to call them goat heads. And there's the quarter. Well, as you can see, it was a very profitable day. Enjoyed the outdoors, and along with the pebbles, and then over in the stadium behind the bleachers, I found several quarters. So all in all, it was a lot of fun. Well, here we are. We're just about finished. Got to get some water, and I think I'm going to go home. But it was pretty profitable, going around some stones or pebbles in the playground, and also around the stadium seats in a football stadium. Found quite a bit of quarters there. Thanks so much for watching.